Hello, everybody. Welcome back to WWTF. You with Price Game Show on MikeC.
And I'm very well.
Hey, we're going to pose a question, right?
Yes.
Yawning Contagious. So if you would just all right. Like always, you guys can hit us up at thagamersshow@gmail.com. That's the Gamer Show with the name. Don't forget to head on Facebook so we can find low prices. Don't forget to hit us up vTime. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember.
And please remember to like, subscribe, and follow all our social media networks. Join our CMOS community and our website community where it's free stuff. And we'll see you next time on WWTF.
We want the facts.
The Gamer Show.
See you next time. Keep on watching. Thanks for tuning in.